Hi friends, I hope you are loving our class so far. I'm here to talk to you about essential oils and the brain, and so I'm going to just enjoy a little bit of the focus roller that we have for this class before I get started. So, I'm Lauren and I'm a nurse, and I've been using essential oils for about 3 years and loving them, and today I get the opportunity to talk with you about how essential oils affect our brains. So even though I'm a nurse, I want to just say up front that the reason I know this information is not necessarily from nursing school or my nursing practice. It's more because I'm the type of person who wants to know why and how about things. So please don't get overwhelmed or think that you can't learn this information on your own, because I have the utmost confidence that every single one of you could learn about this and more if you want to. That's the joys of the internet, right? Okay, so first let's talk about the science of smell. There are at least 2 theories about that. The first is the lock and key theory, where odor molecules have a specific shape and they land on specific receptors in the nose. The second theory is called the vibration theory, and that theory suggests that it's the vibrational properties of odor molecules that enable us to distinguish differences in smells. Interestingly enough, there was a study published in 2011 that showed that flies, which we know can distinguish between different odors, were able to tell the difference between identically shaped odor molecules that had different vibrational frequencies. So I thought that was very interesting. As far as how smell works in our brain, the sense of smell is the only one of our 5 senses that's directly connected to the limbic lobe of the brain. And that is the same area of your brain that controls emotions and memories. If you think about some of your favorite smells, for example, maybe it's spaghetti sauce, warm chocolate chip cookies, a certain laundry detergent or perfume. A lot of us, those are related to our positive childhood memories. That's why. It's also important to note that our reactions to our sense of smell are immediate. We smell first and then we think, oh, what is that I smell? All of the other senses in our bodies are routed through our nervous system and then to different areas of our brain. But the limbic system is not only activated directly through smell, but the same area is also connected to our hypothalamus, which is the area that controls our hormones, as well as our temperature, energy, sleep, hunger, thirst, and more. There's research to suggest that chemical constituents found in essential oils can be protective for mental and overall health and against a variety of neurological disorders. Part of the reason for this is likely that many essential oils are high in antioxidants, which combat free radicals, which are the unstable atoms in the body that are linked to cell damage and disease. Because essential oils are so quickly processed in the body and very biodegradable through the body, they pose a really interesting alternative in fighting neurodegeneration, or the breakdown of the nervous system, when compared to a lot of other synthetic options that are out there. Additionally, there are components in essential oils that are known to cross the blood-brain barrier, which is probably due to their small mass and because essential oil molecules or particles are fat soluble and not just water soluble. There are a significant number of studies on scent in general and a bunch on essential oils and their effects on the human experience, ranging from stress, sleep, appetite, mood, immune system response, sexual arousal, emotional trauma, and even thyroid and growth hormones. Positive effects have been reported when using essential oils with anxiety and depression, as well as to help treat agitation in those who suffer from dementia or Alzheimer's. For regulatory and compliance reasons, I need to be cautious when referencing specific links, but there's tons you can find if you do searches on Google Scholar or PubMed.gov. Scent and essential oils can also have positive effects on learning and memory. I reviewed a variety of studies in preparation for this class, but one of them specifically referenced a component in lemon that helps improve memory, which is one of the reasons we included that oil in our focus roller. Another study stated that when rats were exposed to the scent of lemon essential oil, they were able to more quickly complete a maze compared to a control group that was not exposed to the essential oil. So one of the goals of this class in general is to keep our content to a manageable time frame. So I'm going to wrap it up with this. I fully believe that God created both our bodies and plants to do amazing things, and we will probably never know all of the implications of that here on Earth. But it's fascinating to study, and it's so amazing to experience for yourself. So I hope you come away from this video and class with some awe, excitement, and awesome questions to go dig into on your own.